The nervous system controls everything, our thoughts, our movements, our emotions. But when it malfunctions, the results can be devastating. In this video, we will uncover how a century-old discovery by a forgotten Spanish scientist could help explain why so many people are suffering today, and reveal a surprising way the body can begin to heal. What we found in Madrid wasn't just science, it was something far more human.
I have fibromyalgia, a complex neurological condition that causes widespread pain and heightened sensitivity to stimuli.
It's believed to be linked to central sensitization, where the nervous system is in a constant state of high alert, amplifying pain signals.
Cold and stress trigger severe flares, so Pablo and I spend winters here in sunny southern Spain.
However, we planned a weekend trip to Madrid, not realizing how cold and damp it would be.
As soon as we arrived, the icy air hit me like a shock wave, sending me into a severe flare. My muscles tightened and pain radiated through my body. All I wanted was to get into our rental and rest.
But when we arrived, we couldn't get the door code to work.
As we scrambled to contact the company, my pain worsened and I started to tremble from the cold. Pablo was my rock. He got me out of the cold and into a cafe while he handled the calls. When we finally got into the rental, he turned up the heat, gave me a massage, and did everything he could to help me relax. The next morning, after Pablo's care and taking some meds, I felt well enough to go explore the city. It was a bit warmer and the rain was only sporadic, so my body seemed to be okay.
It's been raining on and off today, so we're gonna do a lot of indoor activities. And we're only here for one day, so we're gonna get in as much as we can. We're at the National Museum of Natural Sciences, where we're going to check out the exhibit of the Father of Neuroscience,
Santiago Ramón y Cajal.
Cajal was a Spanish neuroscientist who, over a century ago, used simple microscopes and ink to map the brain's structure.
He revealed that the nervous system is made up of individual nerve cells that communicate, something that no one had ever seen before. His discoveries laid the foundation for everything we understand about how our brains and bodies connect.
Walking through the museum, I reflected on how fitting it was to learn about a man who uncovered the nervous system's architecture while I was deep in the experience of my own nervous system misfiring.
Cajal was also a talented artist, and he used his hand-drawn illustrations of neurons to support his scientific discoveries.
Santiago Ramón y Cajal, known as the father of modern neuroscience, revolutionized the way that we see the brain. His microscope and ink drawings revealed a hidden world of nerve cells, showing for the first time that the nervous system is made up of individual cells, neurons, that communicate through complex pathways.
Fibromyalgia is a condition of disordered signaling, where the body interprets danger when there is none. Cajal gave us the tools to start understanding this chaos.
In my moment of pain and disarray, Pablo became my counter-signal. His warmth, patience, and steady love helping to calm the storm that was inside me. My nervous system may have betrayed me, but with Pablo by my side, I wasn't alone. His support sent a quiet message that my body needed to start healing.
Carl Jung once said, "The meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed." Pain isn't just physical. It's shaped by what we feel, think, and experience. When the nervous system is in a state of high alert, as it often is with fibromyalgia, emotional safety is just as important as medication.
Research shows that empathy, nurturing, and touch can send safety signals to the brain, downregulating the stress response. The sense of being cared for, really cared for, reduces muscle tension, eases pain, and helps the nervous system find its way back to calm.
Cajal's century-old discoveries are not just history. They're one of the reasons why we can make sense of conditions like fibromyalgia today.
And sometimes the most powerful form of healing starts with being seen, supported, and loved.